Today, we take a deeper and more structured look at how GrabCar builds, operates, and continuously optimizes its business model using the Business Model Canvas as a strategic management tool. GrabCar is a ride-hailing service under Grab that connects passengers with drivers in real time through a digital platform, enabling seamless coordination between demand and supply across urban environments. This service plays a critical role in modern urban mobility, reducing reliance on private vehicles while improving accessibility, and it is also a key component of the gig economy where flexibility, scalability, and operational efficiency are essential. 1. Customer segments. GrabCar serves multiple customer segments with distinct needs, behaviors, and expectations that influence how the platform is designed and delivered. Individual commuters such as office workers and students who require fast, reliable, and affordable transportation for daily routines like commuting to work, school, or personal errands. Tourists who require convenient navigation and transportation without needing to understand local transport systems, often valuing simplicity, safety, and predictability. Corporate clients who arrange transport for employees, meetings, events, or business travel, often requiring consistency, reporting, and reliability at scale. Drivers who act as platform partners and earn income through ride services, benefiting from flexible working hours and access to a large customer base. Each segment plays a different role within the ecosystem, and their unique needs directly shape pricing models, service features, and overall user experience design. 2. Value proposition. GrabCar's value proposition focuses on convenience, transparency, safety, and reliability across the entire ride experience. Users can book rides easily through the app within seconds, with an intuitive interface that minimizes friction and supports quick decision-making. Pricing is transparent, with fair estimates shown before the ride begins, helping users plan costs and avoid uncertainty or hidden charges. Safety features such as GPS tracking, verified driver identification, trip sharing, and emergency support enhance user trust and perceived security. High driver availability reduces waiting time, improves pickup reliability, and supports consistent service levels during both peak and off-peak periods. In addition, standardized service quality and in-app support contribute to a dependable, end-to-end experience that encourages repeat usage. 3. Channels. The primary channel is the mobile application, which facilitates interaction between drivers and passengers, including booking, matching, navigation, and payment in a single interface. Supporting channels include digital marketing campaigns, social media platforms, and referral programs that drive awareness and user acquisition. The website and App Store presence also support onboarding, education, and conversion for new users exploring the service. Push notifications, email campaigns, and in-app messages are used to drive engagement, promotions, and retention among existing users. These channels collectively help acquire new users while maintaining engagement, increasing frequency of use, and strengthening lifetime value. 4. Customer relationships. GrabCar builds customer relationships through consistent, reliable, and predictable service delivery across the entire ride journey, from booking to drop-off and post-ride support. 24/7 support ensures issues are resolved quickly through in-app chat, help centers, and automated workflows, minimizing friction and downtime for users. A two-way rating system maintains service quality and accountability by allowing both passengers and drivers to evaluate each other, reinforcing standards and discouraging poor behavior. Loyalty programs and targeted promotions encourage repeat usage by rewarding frequency, offering discounts, and personalizing incentives based on user behavior. In addition, proactive communication such as push notifications, trip updates, and service alerts enhances transparency and keeps users informed throughout their experience. This combination strengthens long-term customer trust, increases retention, and improves overall lifetime value of each user segment. 5. Revenue streams. Revenue is generated through multiple streams that are aligned with platform usage and demand dynamics. Commissions are charged on each completed ride, typically as a percentage of the fare, creating a scalable and usage-based income model. Booking fees or surge pricing may apply during peak demand periods, optimizing revenue through dynamic pricing while balancing supply and demand in real time. Partnerships and corporate arrangements provide additional income sources, including enterprise mobility programs, bulk ride packages, and co-marketing initiatives. Ancillary revenues may also come from in-app advertising, priority listings, and value-added services bundled with rides. This diversified model supports sustainable growth, improves revenue resilience, and enables continuous reinvestment into platform capabilities and user experience. 6. Key resources. Key resources include the technology platform that enables real-time ride matching, routing, pricing, and payment processing across millions of transactions. A large driver network ensures wide service coverage, reduces wait times, and provides redundancy during peak demand or localized shortages. The Grab brand enhances credibility and user trust, accelerating user acquisition and lowering perceived risk for both riders and drivers. User and trip data support continuous optimization through analytics, including demand forecasting, route efficiency, fraud detection, and personalization. In addition, core algorithms, cloud infrastructure, and data pipelines act as strategic assets that differentiate performance and reliability. These resources are critical to scalability and efficiency, enabling rapid expansion across cities while maintaining consistent service levels. 7. Key activities. Core activities include platform development and maintenance to ensure performance, reliability, security, and continuous feature improvement. Driver management involves onboarding, training, incentives design, and ongoing performance monitoring to maintain service standards at scale. Ride monitoring ensures safety and operational efficiency through real-time tracking, incident management, and compliance checks. Marketing activities drive user acquisition and retention via targeted campaigns, promotions, partnerships, and lifecycle messaging. Additionally, data analysis and experimentation, A/B testing, are used to refine pricing, matching logic, and user experience over time. Consistency in execution is key to service quality, ensuring predictable outcomes for both riders and drivers across different markets. 8. Key partnerships. Key partners include drivers who provide the core transportation service and directly influence customer experience through service quality and reliability. Payment providers enable seamless, fast, and secure transactions, supporting multiple payment methods such as cards, e-wallets, and digital banking. Regulators ensure compliance with laws, licensing requirements, and safety standards, which are critical for long-term operational sustainability. Technology partners support infrastructure, cloud services, cybersecurity, and analytics capabilities that enable the platform to operate at scale. In addition, strategic partners such as fleet operators and corporate clients can enhance service reach and demand generation. These partnerships collectively strengthen the ecosystem, improve service delivery, and enable scalable growth across different markets. 9. Cost structure. Major costs include technology infrastructure and development, covering servers, cloud hosting, cybersecurity, and continuous system enhancements. Driver incentives ensure adequate supply of drivers, including per-ride payouts, bonuses, surge incentives, and retention programs. Marketing costs drive demand growth through digital campaigns, promotions, referral programs, and brand partnerships. Operational costs include customer support, administrative functions, compliance management, and internal operations. Additional costs may include regulatory compliance, insurance, and investment in new features or services to remain competitive. Effective cost control is essential for profitability, ensuring that growth is sustainable while maintaining service quality and competitive pricing. Closing. GrabCar demonstrates how digital platforms can transform traditional transportation industries by digitizing supply and demand, improving resource utilization, and creating more efficient matching between riders and drivers. It highlights how technology can reduce friction, increase transparency, and enable scalable operations across multiple cities and markets with relatively low marginal cost. Success depends on operational efficiency, user experience, and strong network effects, where more users attract more drivers, and more drivers improve service availability, creating a self-reinforcing growth cycle over time.